Hello. Today what we'll be doing is we're going to be doing the flag of France and Italy. So, again, we got the same thing as last time, all of the things. We got this for we got the canvas. Then we got the flag thing just so we can make it automatically go into the middle. And then we got the same thing, which if you don't know, this top part I'm not sure exactly what it does, but below, I'm pretty sure this does the canvas part over here. I'm pretty sure. So anyways, what you do here is you use this, and then this is draw image. When I put in draw image, what it will do is we have to put in URL of the image, the X, the Y, the X, then the scale / how big of the actual picture do we want it to be, and stuff. So then then the rest of this part just put into certain things. But then up here is pretty straightforward. If you watched my first videos on JavaScript, you know on JavaScript on Khan Academy, you know what the rect command is. Except you actually didn't have to put in the color, but all you had to do is put in the X, the Y, the width, and the height, but then you also needed a fill color, which took care of the color. So we had to put in this text, and again, the other one is just inserting the parameters for it. So yeah. So anyways, now down here is where we put the actual. Where we put the actual code, which uses these two things above to do it. So here, the first thing which we're going to want to do is we're going to want to type the first one that we're going to do is France. So here's the flag. So here's the flag. So it's just blue, yellow, and red. Now next is Italy. Why do these both say country in Europe? Oh wait, these are actually pretty easy. These are actually very easy. So this one also, these flags are the same, except for this one it has blue on this side, and in this one it has green, meaning that this should be a piece of literal cake. Not to mention they don't have any special symbols, meaning that we'll only need the rect command. And also means that we won't have to be searching the web forever to find the special thing. By the way, I'm just referring to the last video where it took a while to get the fork thing, so trident. But anyways, let's start. First of all, we're going to start with France. So France, we're going to not to mention, after this, all I need to do is change this blue to green, then I'll practically be done. Not to mention, if I wanted to have them as two separate flags, and all I need to do is, for two separate flags, all I need to do is, really just copy this text and just change this to green. But for now, we're just going to do France, get up the flag, then we're just going to change it because I don't necessarily need it to be at the same time. So, yeah. But anyways, time to start. Okay. This is practically the one thing which we'll actually need to put text in. So, okay. Now, what are we putting in here? Oh, yeah. Okay, so all we need to do is put in rect. I'm going to work on the, white since it's in the middle. Rect. No. Rect. Wait, white? No. Oh, wait, one thing also is you actually have to put in, this. No. Oh, yeah, that's white. Right. White. Anyways, I'm not sure if that's correct necessarily. If it doesn't work, then I'll just actually, you know what? No, I'm just gonna put that red to red just so I can see it since it's a background. Wait, actually, in theory, that means that I don't actually have to do the middle. Yeah, that's actually true. Don't actually have to do the middle. Now I can put 0, 0. Now we'll put 220, 20. Then we do this and okay. So now this is our cube. So okay, now okay. So now all that we need to do is if we put to 200, 200, it's gonna be a little bit too big. So again, I'm just going to try to pass through even numbers, and yeah, that's actually not bad. Not to mention, again, they can be put to the same size. So, and okay. So yeah. But anyways, after that, we need to move it a little bit. So 10. Where will that move it? Yes, that moved it forward. So 100. Okay, 200. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Then all I need to do is, I guess, make 100 pixel difference, if I'm correct. 100 in between. So yeah, 100 in between them. Yeah. Cause if I'm correct, yeah, okay. So all we need to do is make 100 in between those. Then we're good. Then again, this was a little bit easy. Oops, central. Okay. That was a little bit easy, I will say. I'm pretty sure if I literally put this to 0, that will literally work. Oh wait, 0. Now all we need to do is, for France, we need to put that to blue. Now, yes, that actually looks like the flag. See, we got the flag down. Now, I could put a background, but But yeah, anyways, of course, now one thing which I will say is it's a little bit hard to see here, but the main point is you have, this is the outline barrier here, 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 and here. Also, one thing is, if I made a black background, then I'd have to put white in here, which would make it much easier to see, but to see it white, but yeah. The main point is if you can kind of see the flag. One thing is actually, yeah, it does. Yeah, that's good. That is perfectly good. Like, one thing is I can go to like negative 15. Then put on the blue. Wait. Oh, wait. Why is that smaller? Wait, no. Then if I get rid of this and put it on 0, yeah, okay, so that's a little bit confusing, but I guess I'm going to keep it on that. So that is the France flag done. Then now all that we need to do next is do the Italy flag, which, again, all that we need to do here is put this to green. Then, yep. Yeah, so anyways, well, that means that this is the Italy flag. Okay, well, as you can see, these are pretty much the same. Cause, main point is this is blue, this is green, this is blue, this is green. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. These are the same thing. These are the exact same thing. But, yeah. These are the exact same flags, but getting the base down actually didn't take long. We might want to do free flags here, but I honestly don't think so. I don't think we're going to do free flags. I honestly think 2 flags is okay for now. But anyways, yeah, and also in the comments you can request a flag and we'll look at the comments. And yeah. Well, another thing is I would really appreciate if you liked, subscribed, and stuff. But anyways, bye.